చూస్తాను అటు 5 నిమిషాలు ఉంటారా లేకపోతే ఇటు రాండి రాండి ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಸರ್, ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಸರ್, ಸರ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಸರ್? ಧಾರವಾಡ ಬೆಂಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರ್ ಯಾವತ್ತು ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಸರ್? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್.
ತಗೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಂಡು ಗಂಟೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಓದಿದ್ದು ಧಾರವಾಡ ಇದೆ 33,000 ಒಂದು ಅಮೆಂಡ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
Senior civil judge and JMFC Raibag, Your Lordship. But she was appointed on my lordship. She was appointed on my lordship on 18/6/2016, my lord, as per Annexure A, Your Lordship.
Yes.
And accordingly, my lord, she reported for duty on 23/6/2016, my lord.
Yes.
And as that of the second respondent, Your Lordship, was also appointed on 18/6/2016 on the same order at Annexure A, Your Lordship. At
Yes.
serial numbers 7, 4, and 7 respectively, my lord.
Yes.
And he reported on duty, my lord, subsequently, Your Lordship, subsequently on 28/6/2016, my lord. After reporting of
Yes.
the petitioner, my lord, the second respondent reported duty on 28/6, Your Lordship. As per the seniority list of Your Lordship as Annexure B, my lord, at page number 21, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Name of the petitioner is at serial number 26.
Yes.
And has that of the second respondent is at serial number 22.
Oh, he
Respondent is at serial number 22.
is above you.
Above me, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, date of entry into service, my lord, my date of entry into service is 23/6/2016, and has that of the second respondent is 28/6/2016, my lord. And actual date of promotion is also, my lord, on the same date, my lord. And deemed date of promotion, my lord, is 23/6/2016, my lord.
Yes.
In all aspects, my lord, I am senior to that of the second respondent, my lord. That being the factual aspects, my lord, while effecting promotion to the post of bailiff, my lord, as per Annexure C, my lord, promotion to the post of bailiff, my lord, the second respondent name has been considered and promoted to the post of bailiff, my lord. The name of the second respondent is at serial number 11. Page number 21 ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅವನ್ ಡೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಬರ್ತ್ 21/9/1995 ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು, ನಮ್ದು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ ತಿಂಗಳು, ಅವ್ರ ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್ ತಿಂಗಳು, ಒಂದೇ ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ.
Date of birth is there.
21.
Yes.
Page number 21.
Date of birth is there.
21.
Yes.
Page number 21 ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಕಾಲಮ್ ನಂಬರ್
21/9/95 is. Yes.
95.
Then
ಅವ್ರು
why?
ಸೆಪ್ಟೆಂಬರ್, ನಮ್ದು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿಲಿ. ನಾನೇ ಸೀನಿಯರ್, ಆಲ್ ಆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೀನಿಯರ್.
Then why it is? Where is that promotion given to that respondent?
Annexure C, my lord. Page number relevant portion at page number 28, serial number 11, my lord. A.S. Naik.
Serial number 7.
11.
Your name is not there.
Not there, your lordship. Not there.
No, all other. Your name is not there.
Not there, your lordship. Not there.
No, all other persons are senior to you, up to 10.
Please, my lord.
Yes.
Some are seniors, some are juniors, my lord. It depends, my lord.
Yes. You take notice.
I have made representation as per D, my lord. Representation as per Annexure D, my lord.
Yes. You take notice, Mr. Yes. Or issue notice to respondent. Yes. Issue emergent notice to respondent.
Interim order, my lord, if
2024 promotion has been given. Now you are seeking interim order after 1.5 years. Yes.
Yes, please.
Yes. Continue.
Principal bench matter, case number.
Hmm.
Thus, the post of general cashier has to be manned by a person who is in the cadre of assistant.
No, you, what is your name? Nandish Kumar.
Manish Kumar.
ನಂದೀಶ್ ಕುಮಾರ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ನ ಇವರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Manish has got Cindy. So I go and posted to Ramesh's place.
ನೋ ದಟ್ ರಮೇಶ್ ಕಿರಿಯ ಸಾಕಬಹುದು ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆಯ ಮೇರೆಗೆ ಸದರಿ ಅವರು ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯರ್ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶಿಯರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇವೆ.
However, matters, this general cashier post has to be manned by a person who is in the cadre of assistant, which is one cadre above mine. I am in the cadre of junior assistant.
You are junior assistant.
I am a junior assistant.
But you have been given posting in that general cashier.
The general cashier, which is one cadre above.
Yes.
Thus, the workload norms is provided. Wherein my lords, I kindly take page 42.
Yes.
That's page 42, serial number 1 only. This is in so far as the this is for the post of assistant. By drawing receipts manually, collection of cash and checks and remitting the same to the bank and any work.
Yes.
Now let's make kindly take
This is to the post of
assistant.
office having in a revenue accounts. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ?
Now let's kindly take one assistant and the duties of the assistant is provided in there. Now, my lords, after filing of this case, they have converted the Niyojane part of the work allocation. Even the respondent number, even the respondent number, assistant executive engineer cannot pass an order for work allocation, also posting it in the higher phase.
Yes.
My lords, I'm trying to take my rejoinder statement which is produced now.
No, who has passed that order?
Assistant executive engineer.
He has no power to give an work allocation.
Work allocation in the same pay scale, same pay grade, yes, ma'am.
Yes, it's like in a promotion.
These ones. I was given the higher, I was put in the post of senior assistant and assistant previous orders, which is produced by the respondent.
Yes.
Oh, my lords, annexure F of my statement of rejoinder,
Yes.
page 8, my lords.
Yes.
Thus, Ali, 7th column, in charge allowance, INCAL.
INCAL.
This is in charge allowance. This is for the year, for the month December 2021.
Yes.
There, my lords, I have been given
Higher post. Higher post. Yes.
in a similar circumstances, man. Annexure 3, page 15 of my statement of rejoinder. This is how, in a similarly situated person, man. I just read this, man. ರಾಮನಗರ ವಿಭಾಗದ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಪರಿಶೋಧನಾ ಶಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಹುದ್ದೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಿ.ಸಿ. ಗಿರೀಶ್ ರವರು ಹಾಲಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಸದರಿ ಶಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ junior assistant, assistant and senior assistant. He was working as assistant and he is given senior assistant post also.
No, you are ಇದ್ಯಾರು ನೀವಲ್ಲ ಬೇರೆಯವರು.
The similar situation, man.
ಹಾಲಿ ಇರುವ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕರ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ.
There he was an assistant. He was posted as senior assistant. ಮುಂದಿನ 1 ವರ್ಷ ಅವಧಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಸದರಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಯನ್ನು ಭರ್ತಿ ಮಾಡುವವರಿಗೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಮೊದಲು ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ ಅಧಿಕ ಪ್ರಭಾವ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆಯನ್ನು ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುವ
Yes, additional charge ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
additional charge. And then the next paragraph.
Yes.
ಸದರಿಯ ನೌಕರ ಸೇವೆ ನಿಯಮಗಳ ನಿಬಂಧನೆ 51 ಅನುಸಾರ ಸಭಾಗ ಭತ್ಯೆ ಪಡೆಯಲು ಅನುಮೋದನೆ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. And then this is approved by the managing director.
Yes.
And passed by the general manager. However, my lord, we kindly take the impugned order now.
What is this annexure, madam? First you come to that. Karnataka workload.
There are two worker norms. One is for the ministerial care. What I've produced along with the petition is the worker ministerial care. This is the worker norms of definition of duty.
It is for?
It is two different things.
No, this is for whom?
This for that's also.
No, this is also ministerial.
This is also minister, but minister to Yadtala Mani.
Yeah, which one is prevailing then?
That's both of the very.
No, how can that? There should be a one. There cannot be a two. Let them say which is. Yes, yes. 47, para 4. Yes. Yes. Where you are reading first? E. E, yes. Yeah. Worked as what? Cashier. General cashier. 2018 to 21. Our one day grievance, so it is higher responsibilities. You that. Junior assistant, he has no objection. Now he is a junior assistant. His work, for that you are paying a salary. He has no this thing. He is not promoted, but you are giving a higher post responsibilities. ಆಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ವರ್ಕಿಗೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೀವ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೇನು ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಏನು ರೆಮ್ಯುನರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ? ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಚಾರ್ಜಸ್. Yes. Yes. Where is 34? Read what is. ಹಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಲು ಸೂಚಿಸಿದೆ. ಕಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಬಿಡದಿ ಉಪವಿಭಾಗದ and temporary aste. Yes, Mr. It is all, even in that KCS or CCA rules also, if any officer is been transferred, in charge arrangement will be given in that higher officer or lower officer. That is what that rule says. Somebody has to be there for till that. Even all that, even judiciary also, if anybody is transferred on leave, will give an in charge arrangement to that.
is an assistant. Instead of giving it to the assistant, they are giving it to the junior assistant. Above matters.
No, assistant is there.
Assistant is
Ah.
there. Matters like kindly take connection A.
No, let her see. Yes.
Page number 37, there are 4. In this case, there are total 11 staff.
Hmm.
Here, Pavitra is
She's an assistant.
deputation.
Hmm.
Pavitra is training.
Then you have sent her to training.
I don't know, Madam, but earlier to this order, was not training.
Hmm.
And Ramesh is transferred.
Hmm.
That is Kumar is here in the office.
Yes.
And Varsha and Mamta also are the training period.
Yes.
And Vanchina.
Hmm. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಕಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕರು ಜೂನಿಯರ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ only Pavitra is that assistant. Yes, mister. Yes. 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 Yes, mister. Yes. Yes.
Senior number 6.
Hmm.
Senior assistant, assistant.
Hmm.
Checks dash with what she should is a general duty.
Hmm.
What duty is given to the senior assistant or assistant is the collection of check. Plus, if they take approval of the higher official and they give this one, I have no problem with so far as resuming the duty. Above matters, this is only because above matters like I'm saying. Annexure R 13 page 75
Hmm.
in the same statement of
Yes. Yes.
this is the base on which they are saying that I've been transferred. This is the complaint given.
Not transferred. You have been given additional charge.
That's what they are saying. That's may kindly see the
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಅದೇ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲೇ.
same office of the
Hmm.
It is a distance of 2 kilometers from the main office to the
ಆಯ್ತು. Yes, 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 yes.
Plus may kindly. This is the letter based on this the pleading says that based on the complaint given by the
ಆಯ್ತು. ನೀವು ಈಗ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡತಿ ನೀವು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. What we have to say now? When he is arguing, you are making that so serious, saying that even court is asking to argue, you are saying him to argue. Now you are making that same mistake. Yes.
This is the base. The pleading say that based on this particular complaint given by the individual, I have been transferred or shifted or whatever they call it. However, the wording is this your thing. That's why kindly take the rejoinder statement.
Hmm.
Page 14, annexure J.
Yes.
This is issue.
When there is a vacancy, who is the senior most person is there, giving a higher post to with the responsibility, see that board has to be protected. You are an employee, you are saying that you are, see, I don't know why you are not accepting that higher post which is beyond responsibility. You don't want any responsibility. Easy going, go to that office, come back. Yes. Where is that competent? There is work allocation can be done by that. No. You see that work allocations order they have produced. Where is that? Which is that, madam? 40.
R6 page.
Yes,
44.
as and when different works are entrusted to each elements of such a work from the detail of the elements of such a work from the detail of the duties, including the incidental work thereupon. Such a, yes,
Work is in the same cadre.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ the same cadre ಅಂತ.
Incidental work, they do what they
As and when different works are entrusted. Different works ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ different cadre ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Works are entrusted. Different works ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ different cadre ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಕೇಡರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಅಲಾಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ see same cadre ಅಲ್ಲಿ what is that work allotment? You have to be, there need not be any separate order for work allotment. If you are transferred to that assistant junior assistant, there need not be one more work. Yes, see here entrusting that different work. Yes, I will consider that, Mr. Yes, that's all. Yes. In this writ petition, petitioner challenging the order dated 19/8/2025 passed by which respondent? Passed by third respondent, whereby petitioner has been given additional charge as a general cashier. Petitioner was initially appointed as the assistant lineman in the year 2007. 2007. Thereafter, he was promoted as a junior assistant in the year 2013. When he was working as a junior assistant, in which branch this is?
This is in subdivision 5.
Subdivision?
5.
Subdivision 5. With this subdivision 5. With this subdivision. By impugn order, petitioner has been directed to given an additional charge as a cashier since Nandish Kumar AS Ramesh R was transferred from the place on temporary. Being agreed by that, petitioner is before this court. Learned counsel appearing for the petitioner has submitted that petitioner is working as a junior assistant. The general cashier post is a higher post. Assistants working in this office, that is one Pavitra, instead of giving an in-charge arrangement to that Pavitra, petitioner who is a junior officer has been entrusted that work. Lastly, he has contended that in additional charge given to the petitioner without any additional charge allowances, in-charge allowances. Hence, he sought for allowing that writ petition. Learned counsel appearing for the respondent has filed a statement of objection, has contended that As per work allocation circular issued by the board, the senior officer in that region, another senior officer in the subdivision, who is a competent officer to allocation of the work in the interest of the board. The assistant executive engineer is the senior officer in the subdivision Biddi who has passed this order. Next senior officer is the petitioner. ಅವಳು ಪವಿತ್ರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇವರೇ ಅಲ್ಲನ್ರಿ ಸೀನಿಯರು. ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? She is the only assistant, Mr. You are the same. No, there are so many junior assistants. No. Varsha is key sahayakaru anta ide. Kiriya sahayakaru anta. Yes. Petitioner is the next senior most persons available in that subdivision. He has been given in charge as a general cashier for a temporary period till regular employee has to be posted to that post. Hence he sought for general cashier for a temporary period till that post has to be filled up by as per that work allocation circular produced by the respondent, the head of the office, to the employee working in that subdivision in the interest of the board. Assistant executive engineer is the senior officer in that subdivision. He has passed this order annexure C. By impugn order annexure C, petitioner has been given additional work as a general cashier, since the post of general cashier was vacant due to transfer of one Ramesh. It is only temporary arrangements has been made for the interest of the board. Therefore, there is no illegalities and error in the order passed by the respondent. The writ petition is devoid of merit. Accordingly, writ petition is dismissed. That is what filled up. That is what that it is there. Yes. Till yes. This arrangement is made till they have filled up that post. Yes.
Pending application.
All. Yes, Mr. What is this?
Was selected for a post.
Look, petition, no?
Criminal case initiated against his family member. Because he has not been given with the appointment order.
Which post?
Particular conference.
Now, which is the post which is called for?
For first division assistant.
In which department?
Civil court, Malad in district and session judge at Tukur.
First division, FDA.
The line next is.
You have filed an application, you have selected.
Selected.
Hmm.
He was also called.
Hmm.
He was also being selected.
Hmm.
Another state, since endorsement issued,
Hmm.
since there was a criminal case against me,
Yes.
because I have not been, my post is kept vacant.
Hmm.
I have not been appointed.
What has happened to that criminal
Now
case?
he has been acquitted.
Acquitted.
Yes.
Yes. Now, what is that position
Lord,
of law, Mr.?
last occasions, your lordship has, my lord, asked him to produce this application, whether he has disclosed the fact of pending criminal case.
That is
And
not
also
done.
KPSC was also asked to produce these applications.
Yes, who is
For
appearing?
that reason, it was urgent last occasion.
Yes, yes. Where is that? That is what that misrepresentation.
Misrepresentation.
Yes, who
And
is
criminal
appearing
appeal is
for?
pending. Till today, criminal appeal is pending. And initially, my lord, we have not given the appointment because of the pending criminal case.
No, then how do you know? After he has seen in this application, you have come to know that.
Yes, at the time
Then
of
he has
giving
disclosed
appointment,
that.
we came to know that there is a criminal case.
No, you have come to know through his application or some other
It
sources.
is a selection is made by the KPSC.
Yes,
They allotted the FD,
Oh,
this
they have
person to
allotted,
the
then-
district court.
then it
Tumkur.
has not disclosed in that application.
Application, it will be in the KPSC. my lord.
Alade, he has not disclosed then.
ಅದು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ
ಅದೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದೇ ವುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್
ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟು ದಿ ತುಮಕೂರು
ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೆಪಿಎಸ್ಸಿ ಗೆ?
ಕೆಪಿಎಸ್ಸಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಒಬ್ರು ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು
Muganyam.
ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ
ಹಾ?
ಕೆಪಿಎಸ್ಸಿ ಇವರು ತರ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
ಅಲ್ಲ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಂಟ್
ಇವರು ಷಣ್ಮುಗಂ ಯಾರ ಬಂದಿದ್ರ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅವರು?
ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ರು.
ದೆನ್ ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಹಿ?
ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಸಮ್
No, we'll ask that somebody from that office to huh? ಅಲ್ಲ ಇದೇನು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದಾರ? ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಥವಾ ಅವ್ರ ಹೆಸರು ಹೆಂಗ್ ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ರು? No, the problem is last occasion ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ರಾ?
ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ
None appear because that Rubin Jacob was appearing since he is
then some other
designated.
panel advocate may be directed to take notice for
his colleague name has been shown without intimating. Then we don't know whether he has been appointed or not. Now who is there? Prakash yara irbekala?
KM Prakash is there. I mean, no lady is there.
Sinchana Yamma.
KM Prakash.
Sinchana Yamma.
KM Prakash ಇದ್ದಾರೆ.
KM Prakash.
ಸಿಂಚನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, KM Prakash ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಯಾರಿಗಾರು
Yes, office is directed to delete the name of Shenmugam for respondent number 1. Show the name of KM Prakash. Counsel for the petitioner is directed to serve one set of copies. That is the only point. Yes, to KM Prakash. Yes.
Cell number 36, Raghavendra Ji Gayatri for petitioner, BL Sanjeev.
Yes, Mr. Yes, yes, yes.
Matter relates to lien. Petitioner.
Yes.
For this ongoing court orders.
Hmm.
By annexure D.
Yes.
Kindly come to note page 90.
Hmm.
In pursuance to the selection notes, award in the year 2015, 35/2015. By annexure D notes, pursuant to selection it is dated 12/1/2016. While annexure D came to be appointed as junior engineer.
Junior engineer.
Yes. In the petition number 1 Westcom.
Yes. Yes.
He obtained NOC. Notes wherein it is stated ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ ವಿಷಯ ಹಾಗೂ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖಕ್ಕೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಿಸಿದಂತೆ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಬೇವಿಕಂ ಚಂದಾಪುರ ಉಪವಿಭಾಗದವರು ಜೆಸ್ಕಾಂ ಮತ್ತು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸಲಾಗಿರುವ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಹಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಮತ್ತು ಪಂಚಾಯತಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ವಿಭಾಗ ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ನಿರಾಪೇಕ್ಷಣಾ ಪತ್ರ ನೀಡುವಂತೆ ಮನವಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿತ್ತು. ಅದರಂತೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ ಪತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಾಹಕ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ವಿದ್ಯುತ್ ಚಂದಾಪುರ ವಿಭಾಗದವರು ನಿರಾಪೇಕ್ಷಣ ಪತ್ರ ನೀಡುವ ಈ ಕಚೇರಿಗೆ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುವ ಅನ್ವಯ ಸದರಿಯವರಿಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಲು ಅನುಮತಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ.
Yes.
He obtained no objection from his department.
Yes.
One department.
Yes.
And he applied to the post of Panchayat Development Officer.
Yes.
And vide annexure F on 19/5/2018.
Yes.
He was selected and appointed by official memorandum by page 24.
Yes.
As Panchayat Development Officer.
Yes.
He was accordingly posted to Vatkal Taluk Shirali Grama.
Yes.
Subsequently, vide annexure G may come to site copy at page 27.
Yes.
On 6th June 2018, the respondent number 1, in order to report for him to report as Panchayat Development Officer by mentioning specific reasons, relieved him from duty. I'll read the last paragraph.
Yes.
Last paragraph in page 27.
Yes.
ಸದರಿ ನೌಕರರು ಕಂಪನಿಯಿಂದ ನಿರಾಪೇಕ್ಷಣ ಪತ್ರ ಪಡೆದು ತಮ್ಮದ ಸೇವೆಯಲ್ಲಿರುವಾಗಲೇ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣಾಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ರಾಜ್ ಇಲಾಖೆಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ಅರ್ಜಿ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಆಯ್ಕೆಗೊಂಡು ಕಂಪನಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 2ರಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಶ್ರೀ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಿರಿಯ ಸಹಾಯಕ ಚಂದಾಪುರ ಉಪವಿಭಾಗದವರು ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ತಕ್ಷಣದಿಂದ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ಬರುವಂತೆ ಅಂಗೀಕರಿಸಲಾಗಿದ್ದು ಸದರಿ ನೌಕರರನ್ನು ಈ ಕೂಡಲೇ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯದಿಂದ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಆದೇಶಿಸುವ ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್.
Yes.
May I read the last paragraph?
Yes.
ಮುಂದುವರೆದು ನನಗೆ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿ ಹುದ್ದೆಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಸ್ವರೂಪ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆಯಾಗುತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೂ ಗುಲ್ಬರ್ಗಾ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ನಿವಾಸಿಯಾದ ನನಗೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸುತ್ತಿರುವ ಕಾರವಾರ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯ ಹವಾಗುಣ ಹೊಂದಾಣಿಕೆಯಾಗದೆ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳು ಉಂಟಾಗುತ್ತಿವೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯ ನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ ದೈವಿಕಂ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ವಾಪಸ್ಸು ಬರಲು ಸ್ವಇಚ್ಛೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಶ್ಚಯಿಸಿದ್ದು ತಾವುಗಳು ಕಂಪನಿ ಕರ್ತವ್ಯಕ್ಕೆ ಮರಳಿ ಬರಲು ಅನುಮತಿ ನೀಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ವಿನಂತಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Yes.
This was rejected by annexure A, page 30, on 16 September 2019. First, may I read the last paragraph, page 30.
Yes.
ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂತಿಮವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಧಾನ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಸೋ ಬೇವಿಕಾಂ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಲಯದವರು ಉಲ್ಲೇಖ 4ರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಮರಳಿ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಲು ಕಂಪನಿ ನೌಕರರ ಸೇವಾ ನಿಯಮಾವಳಿ ಖಂಡಿಕೆ 189 ನೇರ ಉಪಖಂಡಿಕೆ 2ರನ್ವಯ ಅಂಗೀಕೃತಗೊಂಡ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನು ಹಿಂಪಡೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ಅವಕಾಶವಿರುವುದಿಲ್ಲವೆಂದು ಸ್ಪಷ್ಟವಾಗಿ ತಿಳಿಸುವುದರಿಂದ ಈ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅನಾವಶ್ಯಕವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕಚೇರಿಗಾಗಲಿ ಪತ್ರ ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕೆಂದು ಈ ಮೂಲಕ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. The last date supplied the regulation copy.
Yes.
So they rely on 189A2.
Yes.
Will find at page 124.
Yes. 189.
189A2.
A2. Yes.
124.
Yes.
But may I read, Lord?
Yes.
A resignation becomes effective when it is accepted and the employee is relieved of his duties. Where a resignation has not become effective and the employee wishes to withdraw it, the authority which accepted the resignation or is competent to accept it may either permit the employee to withdraw his resignation or refuse such a request. Once a resignation sanction is accorded and the employee resumes duty, he is entitled to count his past service for increments, leave and pension. But the period intervening the date from which the resignation had become effective and the date of resuming the duty after its withdrawal shall not count unless regularized as leave by a specific order. But this 189A2 is subjected to 189B1.
Yes.
Subsequent.
Yes.
Resignation of an appointment, permanent or temporary, to take up with proper permission or on regular relief another appointment, whether permanent or temporary, service in which also counts in full or in part, is not a resignation of board of service.
Yes.
So this provision says, you have given resignation if it is with an intention to take another appointment in another department, then that cannot be considered as resignation of service.
Resignation of an appointment, permanent or temporary, to take
Up with proper permission
or on regular.
Another appointment, whether permanent or temporary, service in which also counts in full or in part is not a resignation of board of service.
Another appointment ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು?
Another appointment, ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ PDO I have taken another appointment.
No, another appointment in the board itself or there what's
That
there?
is not specified.
No, what is that your stand that?
My stand is that.
No, another appointment means what, Mr.?
Lord, another appointment, my lord, is in the board, my lord. It's like, it is in the board only, not from outside, my lord. Now it is a totally sent.
ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರೋ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Resignation ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ ಬರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. Either it will be promotion or.
No, another appointment other than by your board. Otherwise, permission is not required.
Allah.
Your stand is that another appointment is if the appointment is in the board only. But if it is in the board, he need not take any permission.
Resignation ಕೊಡು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಬರುವುದು.
ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆನೇ
Till
ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ.
now is, my lord, that he should come back. He wants to come back after taking a post in the PDO. Now, my lord, he enjoys everything. He goes there, he puts up a representation stating that weather is not proper, so I want to come back. If that is allowed or not.
No,
The
that is
question
what-
of lien on that post.
Resignation of an appointment, permanent or temporary, to take with,
Resignation or an appointment. Or an appointment permanent or temporary to take up with proper permission or on regular relief, another appointment, whether permanent or temporary, serves in which also service which also counts in full or in part is not a resignation of board service.
what is that meaning? ನಿಮ್ದೇ ಆದ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಏನ್ ಅರ್ಥಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಮಾಡಿದೀರಾ ನೀವು? What is the meaning of that, Mr.?
Now, the last line is a bit confusing, my lord. Board services ಅಂತಾರೆ.
ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಮ್ದೇ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ನೀವೇ
But I will
ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. What
have
is
to
that?
say, my lord, I'll have to put up an affidavit for this, my lord.
If
will
I
not
may
be-
permit it, 252B is pari materia. I will read once more so that to that extent judgment has come. Lords, I had relied upon my lord's decision of.
No, we'll see that service rules, what is the
Lord,
word?
252, my,
This is wording is different, you do everything.
Same wordings are there in 252B of KCS.
This is BWSSP or?
Bescom.
Bescom. The regulation KPTCL they ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ apply. Karnataka Electricity Board.
Wherever this controversy of regulation is there, where that BL Sanjeev is appearing. Yes, read that. Resignation of an appointment.
Resignation of an appointment to take up with proper permission.
Yes, there is a judgment on that point.
Yes, my lords.
Yes, give that.
My lords, I had passed it on the earlier occasion.
Yes,
Writ petition 8136 of 2020.
yes.
My lords are with me, my lords, on that.
No, here,
If I want, I have.
somewhere it is there,
My lords.
in that till you have to be permanently.
Probation is declared, my lords.
Declared.
Again, it is in KCSR 20F note 4. My lords, in our regulation, my lords, it is 19 note 4, which my lords will find at 21, page 21 of regulation copy.
Page 21.
Page 21, my lords. 19F note 4, note 2, my apologies. Satisfactorily, suspension of lien may be with retrospective effect from the date on which the employee is transferred to the post, provided that the conditions and sub-regulation B above are otherwise fulfilled.
Yes.
So, my lords, my lien also will not expire in view of non-declaration of probation.
Yes,
And my lords, my even the resignation cannot be considered as resignation.
yes,
This exact point comes to be considered, my lords, by the learned, the coordinate bench.
yes.
My lords may kindly come to paragraph 18 of the decision, my lords. Writ petition 8136. I had supplied the copy on.
Yes.
I have one more copy.
No, it is,
Writ petition 8136. I had supplied the copy on.
yes.
I have one more copy.
No, it is there, copies, yes.
Lords,
Page,
page 80, page 17, paragraph 18. Facts are given, my lords. I'll just read it.
yes.
My lords.
Paragraph 18,
18, my lords, page 17, top.
yes,
In the case on hand, my lords are with me.
yes,
Admittedly, the payment after tendering resignation with proper permission as required under rule 252B of the KCSR. The next question for consideration is whether the petitioner was required to maintain lien over her original appointment at the time of tendering resignation or not. Learned senior counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3 institution has relied upon the decision of division bench of this court in case of Gulbarga University by its registrar Supra, wherein it was held that the writ petitioner therein, having not sought for permission to retain the lien over the post, cannot contend that he had lien over the earlier post by pressing into service. Note 4 Rule 20 of KCS rules, which is pari materia. The apex court in the case of state of Rajasthan Supra, while interpreting the Rule 18 of the Rajasthan Service Rules, which is similar to Rule 20G of KCSR, has held that government servants lien on a post stands terminated only on his acquiring a lien on a permanent post outside the cadre on which he is born, and will not be terminated even with his consent and under any circumstances. The decision rendered by the division bench without reference to Rule 20G of KCSR is not applicable to the case on hand. Hence, it is held that the petitioner was not required to seek permission to retain lien over the post held by her in the respondent number 2 and 3 institution at the time of tendering her resignation. This they refer to Gulbarga University judgment, saying that the findings are otherwise. May kindly say Supreme Court in appeal has overturned that also. Of KCS rules. As per the language of the said rule, the lien of the government servant on the previous post stands protected till his or her continuation on probation period on the new post. The intention of the said rule is clear, which is to protect the past service of the government servant in case where the government servant is not confirmed or absorbed substantively on the new post on account of his or her failure to satisfactorily complete the probation period or for any other reason. So far as the question of relieving order being treated as resignation is concerned, in terms of Rule 252B of KCSR rules, it cannot be treated as resignation. The said rule makes it clear that if another appointment is taken up by a government servant with proper permission, then it cannot be termed as resignation of public service. Thus, the finding as recorded by the writ appellate court are not sustainable. Accordingly, petition is allowed, and all the in 3 considering the facts and circumstances of the case, and in order to do complete justice, the appellant will be entitled to all service benefit, including seniority, consequential promotion, and because he was retired, pensionary benefits also. Plus, even the learned single judge judgment. Facts ಹೇಳಿದೆ. Even in this judgment, if the facts are to be seen, even here, he had applied, at paragraph number 2, will find the details of the Supreme Court judgment. He had applied, sought for applied job in another college from the Gulbarga University. By giving a representation under 252B, his resignation was considered. Thereafter, his lien was not retained and he was not allowed to. Subsequently, his endorsement was passed for him to come back to the university. Same facts. Even the learned single judge's decision, which I justly relied upon, is confirmed by the division bench. This is confirmed by the division bench of this honorable court at paragraph 25. Judgments, apart from Gulbarga University, other judgments were also relied upon. Ultimately at para 25. Thus, the legal position on the subject is very well settled. A civil servant enjoys the right of lien over the permanent post held by him. He continues to enjoy this right even if he is appointed to another post is in another unit or department or in another cadre or grade in the same department till he is permanently absorbed in that post. As a probationer is considered as temporary servant, he will not acquire any lien over the post till his appointment is confirmed and he is made permanent to the said post. Only on acquiring lien over the new post, his lien over the post held earlier will get terminated and not otherwise. The learned single judge considered this position of law and allowed the writ petition by quashing annexure A and directing respondent number 2, that is appellant herein, to permit the petitioner to join the post of assistant professor pathology and to continue her in service in the said post with all service benefit. In view of the settled position of law, we do not find any reason. But exactly similar case as that of the petitioner here. As I stated, my lords, wide annexure D, I was appointed as junior engineer. Wide annexure E, with proper permission from the competent authority, my lords.
Due to the two appointments being at different stations, due to the two such interpretations not exceeding the joining time permissible under the regulations on transfer shall be covered by grant of leave of any kind due to the employee on the date of relief or by formal condition under regulation 193 to the extent to which the period is not covered by leave due to the employee. In partial modification of regulation 189A above, an employee who resigns after the continuous qualifying service, if not less than 5 years, is entitled to gratuity as provided for under the Payment of Gratuity Act.
My favor.
Lord, but the second note, the note which says, my lord, the tentative candidate is not entitled to benefit of this sub-regulation. Now, my lord,
Tentative candidate is not entitled to the benefit of this.
Lord, if my lords come to 19, my learned friend referred to
Lords, page
19A.
14, page 14, paragraph 51, tentative candidate definition is
Page
14.
Hmm.
Section, rule 2, para 51. He is a temporary employee. I wasn't a temporary employee.
Oh, for temporary employee, it is not applicable.
Tentative candidate means an employee appointed temporarily outside the regulation of recruitment.
Yes.
I am
Tentative
not a
candidate means
tentative
employee appointed so and so. Then entertainment of the tentative, see,
Stopgap arrangement.
you tell me that another appointment, is it possible in that department after resigning? Is it required for
Lord,
resignation?
what happens, my lord, there are other branches, HESCOM, BESCOM and all, my lord. APCL. So resignation is required if he wants to join HESCOM or MESCOM. There are all different companies, my lord. If at all, if that takes into consideration, my lord, then resignation is required in BESCOM to join HESCOM or MESCOM.
It may not be so, my lords. I had referred to
Lord, now the
Justice
judgment
Pandit's
referred is
judgment.
under.
Section 104865. My lords had referred to the same question and discussion had also happened on the last date.
Yes.
I shall pass it on. I may have had given it on the last date.
No, this,
Lords, here it is.
in this it is there.
Lords of Justice Pandit's judgment.
Yes, yes, Justice Pandit, yes. No, then it can be clear, what is that,
Lords, paragraph
another
2, if I-
appointment is includes any other department also.
Paragraph 2, my lords.
That is under the
Fact.
KCSR, my lord. That is under the KCSR.
No,
Now-
same interpretation, you have to see that what is the meaning. Within that board, it cannot be a resignation required. Still, you want to examine whether that, if you go to that other department is come back, if you compare to that CCA rules, they have used that another appointment.
There is
The
something
judgment which is relied on, they have went to that same civil post and come back in the different department. Now, therefore, I am asking to that, other than that civil post, if they are.
This case, he was in first division assistant appointed to civil court.
Yes.
Has gone back to police constable. My lords, may kindly come to paragraph number 2. Presently, may I read? Paragraph number 2, page 2 of writ petition number 104865 of 18.
104, yes.
Presently, the petitioner is working as first division assistant in the court civil judge and JMFC court, Haliyal, Uttar Kannada district. The petitioner was appointed as a police constable in the police department on 21/2012. Subsequently, my lord, this is the facts of this case. His case also, my lords, considering 20F, my lords will find at my lords page 7. Considering 20F note 4, case is allowed. Same benefit is granted.
Yes.
So it isn't that BESCOM in the MESCOM ge hoga.
Now you are working where?
Lords, PDO
PDO there.
then development office.
Seniority.
Yes, continuation of service from the date of representation.
Yes, length of the service. No, the day you will report it to duty.
ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ರ ಎಂಡೋರ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಅದರಿಂದ ಅವತ್ತಿಂದ
That day your service has to be counted.
Yes.
Yes, that's all.
Lord, this will apply only to the facts of this case, my lord. This will apply only to the facts of this
No,
case.
no, this is a law.
Allah,
You are
laws.
saying that,
This will apply only to the facts of this
no,
case.
no, this is a law.
Allah,
You are
laws.
saying that
My lord, but
No, only that, this thing, other appointment, the word is used.
says
Same
board
thing is
ser-
then
ಅಲ್ಲ,
that KCSR.
ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ board services ಅಂತ use ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ?
ಇಲ್ಲಿ 19(1), my learned friend read 189(b)(1) says board services
ಎಲ್ಲದೂ ಇದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ.
in the last. KCSR
Also count in full in part is not a resignation of, ಅದೇ ನಿಮ್ board service resignation ಅಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. He is a board employee,
yes,
therefore he has not resigned to that board.